Running out of space, I recently purchased a Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD. Planning to use it for editing, I opted for the half terabyte version while getting a hard drive for storage as they both had a discount. Previously, I had one awful experience with the Lacie Rugged series, yet considering the reviews, I decided to give Lacie another chance, hoping the reliability would match their rad-looking designs. Box. Relatively small, the box lists the drive specifications and premium features, and that consists of the size, capacity, and the read and write speed, such as the 5-year rescue recovery service. Also, Seagate secure password protection. Inside the box are USB-C and USB 3.0 cables, documentation, and Lacie's Toolkit software suite, which you can download from Lacie's website. Compatibility and system requirements. This Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD works with USB 3.0, USB-C, and Thunderbolt 3. It requires at least macOS 10.12 or Windows 7 or later. Like all Lacie products, this Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD is designed by Neil Poulton. Based in France, Poulton is a Scottish product designer who, according to Wikipedia, specializes in designing, quote, deceptively simple-looking mass-produced objects. He also has numerous international design awards, as you can find on his website. An interesting detail. According to Lacie's Instagram page, Poulton picked the orange color because to him it is synonymous with Tonka toys, hard hats, life rafts, and most importantly, basketball that is meant to be bounced. First impressions. The design of this Lacie NVMe SSD looks dope with that bright orange. It creates a beautiful contrast to my 16-inch MacBook Pro and also complements the walls in my studio, such as the cover of my first book, a copy of which usually lies around. It also feels very premium in my hand, which applies to the cables. It is smaller than the standard Lacie hard drives and it is also relatively lighter. Ruggedness. According to the box, this Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD is extremely water and drop resistant. Having IP67 waterproof rating, it can also handle 3-meter drop, such as 3 two-tone car crashes, which although sounds impressive, I prefer to not test. Utility. This Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD is considered part of Lacie's professional line and is perfect for video creators dealing with 4K footage. However, there's also the actual Pro version, which is black and recommended by Lacie if you deal with 6K, 8K and super slow-mo. Depending on how much my channels grow and thereby my filming equipment, I may start using that in the future, but for now this one will serve my needs great, especially after I couple it with the bigger hard drive, the unboxing of which will be on this channel. And that wraps up my unboxing and first impressions of this Lacie Rugged NVMe SSD. I'd like to know whether you use similar approach to storing and editing your videos. Also your personal experiences with various Lacie products. Feel free to share that in the comments below. Otherwise, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, check my other works if you're into healthy living and magic with a K, also my books and coaching services by DMing me on Instagram, know my music and articles are on Spotify and Medium, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time.